guys, the Wood Craftsman here. Got a real quick shop update here for you. Turns out to be I had 2 YouTube videos that I actually wanted to upload here pretty quickly, and turned out to be that last night that my Acer Aspire laptop computer of 8 or 9 years of service decided to stop working last night. So long story short, for last probably 3 or 4 weeks I've been noticing some issues. Crashes more frequently, it freezes up more frequently, a lot of different things. I actually have a cousin of mine who's actually an IT specialist for some major company, and he came out and looked at it, and it basically told me, he said, I think you should just look at a new one, it's definitely served you well. What I didn't realize is when he told me that the hard drive had a mind of its own, thinking that I had a limited amount of time after he said that. So turns out to be last night when I was trying to do some editing, it locked up, it kind of froze, all the programs said not responding, the little light that flashes when the hard drive is working wasn't flashing, and I kind of think it stopped there. So when I powered it down and started back up, I have absolutely nothing. No Acer home screen, no Windows, nothing. So I actually sent a text message to my cousin excuse me, last night with one I was looking at. He gave me the go-ahead this morning that this one would meet and exceed my requirements I need for my cabinet design software from eCabinet Systems, as well as the video editing software they use as well. So that'll be hopefully delivered here on Friday. So he did say he should be able to salvage the data off my old laptop and get it transferred to the new PC. So I'm actually going from a laptop to a PC this time because I get actually a lot more bang for the buck. I don't really use a laptop that often for its actual intended purpose of mobility. So if I really need something, I could dig out my old Dell Inspire, but that thing is, well, anyways, not even going to go there. So that's that. Hopefully, if that all pans out, I can hopefully upload the 2 videos I was planning on doing this weekend for uploading shortly, and that would be good because I think they're quite informative videos. There are a couple shop tips and tricks I'd start doing again here. So the other thing too is I get questions quite often about waterborne finishing. Want to know if I'm going to do any more waterborne demonstrations, and actually I am planning on doing another one. I actually had gotten some waterborne finish and stain from Aqua-Coat. This is their clear waterborne lacquer, and I've got a white stain here, amber, and cognac. What I'm going to be doing here as well is just testing this, doing a video, probably could be a 2 or 3 video series, and just going to be testing it right in front of you guys. It's going to be, it'll be edited, but it's not, what you see is going to be the first run, so I'm not doing any testing beforehand. So it's going to be kind of a first impression. A lot of people ask me about, other products. A lot of people ask me about, how I feel about the Sherwin-Williams Chem Aqua Plus, or the Valspar, now known as Exalta, the Zenith product line, or even the Hydro Plus. And I get a lot of comments from other members who are actually using, some of these products. Some like them, some don't. Some have tried them, had mixed results. And like I said, my videos are just put out there to show you as far as what I thought about them, how well they performed, things like that, things I don't like. In every waterborne finish test video I've done, I've always had the pros and cons, kind of like what I like about it, what I don't like about it. So that's what this is going to be focused on as well. I've never sprayed this stuff before. When you see it, it's going to be the first time. So I am applying this with the Kremlin Air Mix, the 1014 setup I have dedicated for waterborne testing. The stains, I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'm going to spray them and wipe them or just wipe them, but we'll find out when I do the video. So yeah, so this is just going to be another kind of a review on another waterborne finish option. So I'm not sponsored by any one of these guys, Sherwin-Williams, Sayerlac, Valspar, Exalta, Aqua-Coat. Nobody's paid me for these reviews. It's just my unbiased opinion as far as out of the box, how they perform, or maybe out of the pail maybe. But yeah, so I appreciate the comments on it, as far as what you guys thought. I know that Eric Reason does a lot of reviews as well, and he does a lot of really in-depth reviews. I actually like some of the content he puts out where he actually does the testing as far as adhesion. So if you're not familiar with his channel, go and check him out. It's Eric Reason is the channel name. He's got some really interesting content as far as the testing of finishes. So I know we've reached out to each other a couple times on a couple different things. One of the ones I really like is the Sherwin-Williams Sailor Hydro Plus. He likes the Chem Aqua Plus. So it's just, I think a lot of it is how it works for you. There's a difference in viscosities, so if you're spraying with HVLP, it may be that the Sailor's not going to work just because the Sailor is a little bit higher in viscosity and the Chem Aqua is going to work better, and it may work the opposite for others. I've got another friend of mine who's a painting contractor. He switched from using the Chem Aqua Plus to the Sailor Hydro Plus just because of the higher viscosity and better vertical hang. So we'll see what this does here as well. Like I said, I've never sprayed this stuff before. It's made right here in the U.S., actually made in Illinois, and it's a company that strictly deals just in waterborne wood finishing. They don't do anything with solvents, so they're starting with water and sticking with water. So anyways, that's the video I'm going to be doing hopefully here over the holiday, probably mid to late December, and I hope to have the video uploaded before the new year, but if not, it'll be out sometime, probably hopefully in the first or second week in 2019 in January. So that's the shop update, just to let you know what's going on. If you guys kind of enjoyed this update, like I said, a lot of people do ask me periodically how come I don't post very often, things like that. And this is kind of a prime example, an unexpected delay with a hard drive failure. So we'll get through it, but that's what I got for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Questions and positive comments are welcome. Alright guys, thanks for watching.